Secretary, Coal Government of India, Sri Mukul Modi ji, SBI, and esteemed guests and entrepreneurs and representatives of different industry, friends from media, and other senior officers of coal from Government of India, and senior officers from Government of Telangana, and different public PSUs from Coal Ministry and other organizations. I thank each and every one of you for being here for this launch of the 10th round of commercial coal blocks, around about 67 coal blocks today, under guidance of the Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji. Taking at another major step towards strengthening our energy securities, boosting economic growth, creating numerous job opportunities. It gives me great pleasure to share that 9 rounds of actions have been concluded so far. Through these 9 rounds, 107 coal mines have been successfully actioned. I think instead of action word, commercial coal mine allocation through open revenue sharing will be good word, because of just now our Deputy Chief Minister Bhatti ji told, this successfully we are expected to bring total investment of more than 38,400 crores last 9 round of coal mines action. It will be also open direct and indirect employment opportunities for more than 3 lakh people. Coal is the lifeline of all core industries, a major role making Bharat a 5 trillion economy in future. As a Narendra Modi ji's vision, friends, coal is a lifeline of every citizen of India and globe, directly or indirectly. Even for energy, coal is one of the important products. Even domestic power, agriculture power, industrial power, and commercial sector. Power is a need, from mobile charging to grinder to everywhere. Per power, coal is a one of the important product. Without coal, there is no power. That's why I told this real gold, not a lifeline, but Coal is a real lifeline. That's why real gold is not important, but is a black gold, very important for this country or human life. That's why I told this is not a coal, this is a black gold. Friends, the vibrant and reform-oriented coal sector is the key to achieving the goals of Atmanirbhar Bharat in lifeline of and with Honorable Narendra Modi ji's vision of making Bharat a global powerhouse. With this vision, Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji launched the first round action of commercial coal mining in 2020. This was a historical step in the history of India's coal mining industry, and it has been a great success. That historic step was rooted in the vision of enhancing domestic production of coal, making countries Atmanirbhar in the coal sector also. Address countries' growing energy needs. I am also happy to note that since the launch of commercial coal actions in 2020, the transparent and fair action process has been well received by the all corner of industry and all organizations. Several policy reforms have been undertaken to make the process even more competitive and attractive, such as a streamlined approval process. The single window clearance system has been implemented for enhanced efficiency and greater ease of doing business. A project monitoring unit has been also established to seamless management, capping of upfront amount, bid security reduced by 20%. I would also like to share with you all that the Ministry of Coal is also undertaking several initiatives, such as a coal gasification is a priorities. We have set a goal of 100 million tons of coal gasification by 2030.